We absolutely loved Akaroa. Let me tell you why.
Please keep the door open for me just a little bit longer. Yeah, we could try to mend what is broken. If you just keep the door open.
This is really good. This is too good.
Did you know that alpacas are basically the fluffiest, most adorable creatures ever? We visited this beautiful farm called Shamarra Alpacas in Akaroa, and it was such a fun day out. The farm was located on a stunning hill with a panoramic view of Akaroa Harbour. And then, of course, there are the alpacas, over 100 of them, casually lounging and grazing. They first gave us an introduction to the fleece, explaining its qualities and all the cool stuff about it.
It's very soft, yeah.
Very soft, yeah.
See how soft it is? Yeah.
Temperature can drop to negative 15 degrees Celsius. That is why they need a very thick wool or fleece to keep them really warm. Yeah.
Then they took us to meet the king of the herd, a stud named Rising Sun.
Okay. And Rising Sun is very, very friendly one. You can even give him a rising. Yeah. And the king can't wait to go out actually. Guess how many children he has all around the world? No, not that much. More than 250 children all around the world.
Wow.
Yes.
My mom says love's not easy. Just keep your head held high. People will find you pretty. I just wonder where they are. You like my Batman t-shirt? It costs like $50. Someone must think I'm pretty fly right now. Maybe I'm going crazy. Can't catch a break lately. And I just wonder what you gotta do to get a little baby. You look amazing. I
She's
said
coming
I'm
through.
romantic. And I just wonder what you gotta do to get a little love.
It's fine, you have it.
Get a little.
She's Prada.
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 What you gotta do?
No more. Nope. No more.
Did somebody just say hello?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Before the settlers arrived, Akaroa was known as Waihora by the Maori, which means long water. It's because of the long, calm bay. If you check the map, you can see how Akaroa is peacefully tucked in. It's such a scenic spot, and even though Christchurch is just a few hours away, it's not at all crowded with tourists. Akaroa is such a beautiful town, and we could really feel the mix of French and Māori culture. We spent the whole morning strolling past colonial buildings and French-style architectures. As we walked, we passed through this place that smelled like French croissants. Obviously, we had to grab some and walk to the beachside.
It's so good. Really fresh. The chocolate.
Now, because of where Akaroa sits, it's known for its marine life. So we took a cruise and it gave us a great view of the town from the water.
Are you ready for the dolphins? Yes?
G'day, mate. Mumu in the Magane.
That's me trying to pull off a Mufasa moment, telling Imai, everything the light touches belongs to him.
കാഴ്ച എവിടെ എത്തുന്നവരിക്കും അത് മൊത്തം നിന്റേത് മാത്രമാണ്. എന്റെ ഓവർ ആക്ടിങ് അവന് ഇഷ്ടമില്ലെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
Yeah, that didn't quite land well. Really bad acting and instant rejection from Imai. As we cruised, we got a beautiful view of Akaroa Town. The calm sea made it feel so peaceful. That's the lighthouse from 1880. We actually visited it on another day. It was such a beautiful spot.
അതിലുണ്ടോ?
Back on the boat, we cruised further down the bay. And we cruised besides a unique part of Akaroa. That's Ōnuku Church. We visited this the same day as the lighthouse, and this part of the town has such a deep Maori history. Onuku Church isn't just a church, it's a symbol of history and connection. In 1840, this is where the South Island's version of the Treaty of Waitangi was signed. It was the start of the relationship between the British Crown and the Ngāi people. Later, the local community built this church, mixing the Maori design with the European style, and it became the first non-denominational Maori church. In 1998, the first Crown apology to the Ngāi people for breaching the treaty happened right here. Small church, big history. This got me thinking, has the British Crown ever apologized to us Indians? Meanwhile on the boat, I was struggling to keep steady while carrying Imai. It wasn't easy as the boat was moving fast. We were struggling to get a good shot, but the views were beautiful. As we cruised deeper into the bay, the cliff on both sides got steeper. At one point, we spotted this goat just chilling at the bottom of the steep cliff. How it got there, no idea. Goats are wild. The cruise was amazing and we saw seals and the landscape was so rugged and unique. Eventually, we hit the open sea, and here things got really exciting. One of my favorite childhood movies was Free Willy. It's a story of a friendship between a boy and a dolphin. There's this amazing song by Michael Jackson, and I absolutely love this movie. So the dolphin in this movie is not just a dolphin, it's an orca. An orca is a black and white patterned toothed whale. It's the largest in the dolphin family. Some people might even call it killer whale because it can kill whales. When we first saw the fin, we weren't sure what it was. That's when the captain told us that it's an orca. It swam around us, showing up on the left and then on the right. We scrambled to get shots and finally it swam right past us.
Yeah.
It was such a beautiful moment. One of those memories we'll never forget. The ride was so much fun, but it left us feeling tired. So we headed back to the town to relax and grab something to eat.
Let's go have Akaroa fish and chips. Fish. Dollar veno. Dollar veno.
I'm so jealous of the people who live here. Beautiful views, calm waters, amazing sea life, and delicious food. What more could anyone ask for?
And it's a wrap. Akaroa. Goodbye. Until next time. Akaroa. We want to come back to Akaroa. Yo. Akaroa.